Hi everyone, I'm your kumparing Samuel.
And I'm your kumaring Vanessa.
And welcome to Komentuhan Podcast! And for today's video, we'll be having our very first episode as well as this is our very first ever podcast, kumare. And today we'll be talking about what are the things that we are grateful for. Ikaw ba, kumare? Ano yung mga bagay na ipinapasalamat mo?
Actually, kumpare, madami, pero may dalawang bagay talagang special.
Yes, ano yun, kumare?
Yung una, syempre, yung family.
Oh yeah, family.
Family is love, everything and all. Grateful ko dahil sa family, nandyan sila to support me, to advise
Yes.
me, to provide my things, or even hindi ko naman need, pero binibigay talaga.
Yes, I'm so happy with that kind of family partner, no?
And to add on, sa love.
Yes,
Then,
of course.
diba?
Diba? Ako naman siguro, kumare, I'm grateful for sa family ko kasi isa rin sila sa mga dahilan or isa sila sa mga support system ko, kumare. I am so grateful that every time I'm in need of their help, they're always there to support me as well. And sila yung dahilan rin na kung bakit ako lumalaban sa life and sila yung dahilan ko kung bakit I'm working a lot of things para sa sarili ko to improve myself, to improve who really I am. And isa pang ikinagrateful ko, kumare, is yung mga classmates ko or yung mga friends ko. I'm happy that my friends is also supportive, especially you are, kumare.
Na-touch ako
Diba? I'm so happy because they are also there to cheer me up when it comes to the things that I am loved for. Especially yung mga sinasalihan ko sa school, they're always there. And I can really say that my friends or classmates are my homies.
Yes.
Tinuturi ko silang pamilya talaga, partner. Because, syempre, nandito ako sa Coronadal and sila yung sometimes matatakbuhan ko, sila yung masisharean ko ng mga bagay-bagay. And happy ako that they are always, dyan sila palagi to
support.
give their advices, to give their help. And yun, masasabi ko talagang grateful ako sa friends and classmates ko. Ikaw ba, ano bang masasabi mo or ano bang mai-share mo na grateful ka sa classmates mo or sa friends mo?
Sa friends, actually, treasured dito siya. For
Yes,
me,
of
of course. Kasi, ang friends is, andyan din sila, willing to listen, willing to give advice.
That's the number one thing
Diba?
that I'm also grateful for.
Naging part-
Kasi they're always there to listen for us, di ba?
Yes. Naging part din siya na ng life natin.
Yes, of
Diba?
course. And another thing that I am grateful for is yung mga challenges and struggles sa life natin. Kasi minsan, nagfo-focus tayo sa mga positive na grateful tayo. We don't think for the things na in a negative way, yung mga grateful things na in a negative way. Ako masasabi kong grateful talaga ako sa mga challenges kasi yung mga challenges sa life ko, ito yung tumutulong sa akin upang maging matatag ako. Ito yung tumutulong sa akin upang maging to become more stronger pa. And to all our viewers or listeners out there, I would say that we should be more thankful sa mga negative things or mga challenges sa life natin. Kasi nga yung sabi ko na yung mga challenges, ito yung help sa atin upang maging stronger nga tayo, para maging mold tayo. Kasi parang piniprepare tayo nito ng mga challenges na to in the future para hindi rin tayo maging easy lang for others, hindi tayo malamangan for others. And that's my point there, na we should be grateful sa mga challenges and problems natin. Ikaw ba, partner, may mai-share ka ba sa akin na syempre grateful ka rin sa mga bagay na or sa mga challenges sa life mo?
Yes, partner. Oo naman. Nagbibigay yan sa atin ng purpose kung
Yes,
paano,
of course.
paano tayo lumaban, kung paano tayo maging matibay, di ba?
Yes.
So, sa life naman, nagpapasalamat din ako, syempre, kasi, parang ito yung daan para kung tawag niyan ng parang it's a way of kung paano maging fighter, kung paano maging stronger, and kung paano maging yung lumaban talaga, 'di
Yes,
ba?
of course. And 'di ba sometimes may mga bagay talaga na parang i-share ko na lang to sa ating mga listeners.
Good.
When I was in high school, I always set my mind sa mga plans ko and dreams. But when I'm in a college na, siguro, nung nagtungtong na ako sa college, all of my dreams and plans in life, hindi yun na-set. Kasi parang, tinurn ways ni God yung mga plans ko. And as of the moment, I am so very happy with my course, with the things that I do. And grateful din ako siguro na hindi yun natuloy yung mga plans ko siguro, di ba? Kasi kapag natuloy yon, for sure, hindi ako magiging happy, hindi ako magiging productive sa course ko as of now. And yeah, that's it. I'm so grateful for the things that happened in my life. I'm so grateful with all the things that in my life. And I think that's it. That's for today's video. I hope that our listeners and viewers out there would learn a lot from our discussion this episodes. At sa susunod na episode, ating abangan yung panipagong podcast ng aming mga kapwa communication students. Well, that's it for today's video. Again, I'm your kumparing Samuel.
And I'm your kumaring Vanessa.
And this is Komentuhan Podcast.